Welcome, traders. Today, we are going to dive deep into the Trailing Management Indicator. This essential indicator is designed to boost your trading performance by implementing dynamic trailing stops and conducting thorough risk-reward analysis. We will thoroughly explore each feature of this indicator, understand how to set it up correctly, and demonstrate its application in real trading scenarios. What is the Trailing Management Indicator? The Trailing Management Indicator is an advanced trading tool designed to help traders effectively manage their positions through automated and dynamic trailing stops. This tool helps you decide when to lock in profits and reduce losses by adjusting the exit point of a trade as the market moves. Setting up the indicator on your chart is a simple process. Click on Indicator. Search for Trailing Management. It's going to be this one called Trailing Management, the Editor's Picks version, EP. Select the Trailing Management, the Editor's Picks version, EP, by Zierman. That's it. Now let's take a look at the Trailing Management Indicator on our price chart. Now let's break down its key features and components. This indicator is designed with a range of features that accommodate various trading styles and preferences. Break-even curve. This feature visually marks the break-even point of trades with a yellow dot on the curve, indicating where a trade neither gains nor loses value. This point, known as the break-even point, adjusts in response to changes in the market price. Another essential feature displayed on the chart is the table. It provides critical information such as the risk-reward ratio, the minimum win rate needed for profitability, potential rewards, risks, and the current market bias. A green boxed area signals a bullish market condition, suggesting an upward trend, while a red boxed area denotes a bearish market, indicating a downward trend. Alongside the market bias, the presence of green and red triangles highlights bullish and bearish biases, respectively. These indicators guide traders on whether to adopt a bullish or bearish stance based on current market conditions. Now, let's delve into the other components of the Trailing Management Indicator by adjusting the settings. In the input settings, you will find the Trailing Method option. With this option, you can select the method used to calculate the trailing stop. Auto dynamically calculates based on market conditions. Percentage uses a fixed percentage for trailing. And we have pivot option as well. For now, I'm keeping the default setting, which is auto. The trailing size defines the look-back period over which to calculate the highest high and lowest low for trailing stop calculations. Increasing this value will make the trailing stop less sensitive to price changes. For now, I'll keep mine as default, which is 20. Next is percentage step. Increasing this value will increase the distance of the trailing stop from the price. For now, I'll keep mine as default, which is 0.5. Next settings determines the bias of the trailing stop. Bullish sets it to track only upward moves. Bearish sets it to track only downward moves. Auto adjusts dynamically based on price action. For now, I'll keep mine as default, which is auto. Using the default auto setting allows the system to adapt the trailing stop based on prevailing market trends. If you prefer, you can change the style colors, modify the color settings to improve visibility, or to match personal preferences or chart themes. You can choose to enable or disable the break-even curve as per your preference. You can choose to enable or disable the show table option as per your preference. Same with show labels. You can choose to enable or disable the option. Additionally, the style section includes options for positive trend, negative trend, boxes, labels, lines, and tables. Enabling or disabling these will affect how these elements appear on the chart. For this video, we're going to use the default settings. Next, we're going to explore how we can use the Trailing Management Indicator in our trade by entry scenario. The Auto Bias feature indicates a strong bullish trend, as evidenced by the price making higher highs and higher lows. For a robust buy entry, we'll wait for the price to pull back to the trend line. This strategy allows us to place a smaller stop loss, thereby reducing our capital risk while aiming for higher rewards. Entry instructions. 1. Wait for a pullback. Monitor the price as it retraces to the trend line, which is often seen as a natural support level in a bullish market. 2. Enter a buy position. Initiate a buy when the price bounces off the trend line. This bounce suggests that the upward momentum is likely to continue, providing reasonable risk exposure. 3. Set stop loss. Place the stop loss at the level indicated by the trailing management's red stop loss line. This will help protect the trade against any sudden downturns. 4. Set take profit. Aim for a take profit target set at the trailing management's green take profit line, optimizing for a 1 to 3.26 risk to reward ratio. This approach ensures that we maximize potential returns while keeping risks tightly controlled, leveraging the trend's strength for a favorable entry point. Sell entry scenario. The auto bias feature indicates a strong bearish trend, as evidenced by the price making lower highs and lower lows. For a robust sell entry, we'll wait for the price to pull back to the trend line. This strategy allows us to place a smaller stop loss, thereby reducing our capital risk while aiming for higher rewards. Entry instructions. 1. Wait for a pullback. Monitor the price as it retraces to the trend line, which is often seen as a natural resistance level in a bearish market. 2. Enter a sell position. Initiate a sell after the price makes a fake out and breaks back into the trend line. This fake out suggests that the downward momentum is likely to continue, providing reasonable risk exposure. 3. Set stop loss. Place the stop loss at the level indicated by the trailing management's red stop loss line. This will help protect the trade against any sudden downturns. 4. Set take profit. Aim for a take profit target set at the trailing management's green take profit line, optimizing for a 1 to 2.88 risk to reward ratio. This approach ensures that we maximize potential returns while keeping risks tightly controlled, leveraging the trend's strength for a favorable entry point. Buy entry scenario. The auto bias feature indicates a strong bullish trend, signaling an opportunity for a potential buy entry. For an effective buy entry, we'll wait for a bullish engulfing candlestick formation. This strategy offers a high win rate, but it comes with a higher risk compared to reward, since our entry will be close to the midpoint of the risk-reward box. Entry instructions. 1. Confirm bullish trend. Ensure the auto bias is indicating a bullish trend. 2. Identify bullish engulfing formation. Watch for a bullish engulfing candlestick, which signals strong buying pressure and a possible reversal or continuation of the uptrend. 3. Execute buy order. Enter a buy position on the next candle, following the bullish engulfing pattern. This entry suggests that upward momentum is expected to continue, providing a high probability of success. 4. Set stop loss. Place the stop loss at the level marked by the trailing management's red stop loss line to minimize potential losses if the market moves against your position. 5. Set take profit. Establish your take profit target at the level indicated by the trailing management's green take profit line. This method leverages the power of candlestick patterns, aiming to capitalize on a high win rate. Sell entry scenario. The auto bias feature indicates a strong bearish trend, signaling an opportunity for a potential sell entry. For a strategic sell entry, we'll wait for a bearish engulfing candlestick formation. This setup is chosen because it often indicates a high win rate, although the entry will be close to the midpoint of the risk-reward box, implying a higher risk compared to reward. Entry instructions. 1. Confirm bearish trend. Ensure the auto bias shows a bearish trend. 2. Identify bearish engulfing formation. Monitor the market for a bearish engulfing candlestick, which is a strong indicator of selling pressure and a potential reversal or continuation of the downtrend. 3. Execute sell order. Enter a sell position on the next candle after the bearish engulfing pattern. This suggests that downward momentum is likely to continue, offering a high likelihood of a successful trade. 4. Set stop loss. Place the stop loss at the level indicated by the trailing management's red stop loss line to protect against unexpected upward movements. 5. Set take profit. Set your take profit target at the level marked by the trailing management's green take profit line. This approach takes advantage of candlestick patterns and trend analysis to maximize the chances of a high win rate while carefully managing risk. The trailing management indicator is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive trading solution that empowers you to manage trades with precision and strategic foresight. By integrating this indicator into your trading routine, you can significantly enhance your ability to make informed decisions, thereby increasing your potential for higher profitability. Remember, the key to mastering any trading tool is continual practice and adaptation to market changes. Stay disciplined, keep testing new strategies, and refine your approaches based on real-time feedback from your trades.